Hi, I'm Chuck McAfee, and welcome to 12 Oaks. 12 Oaks is an enclave of just 12 single-family homes located in the Oak Grove, Sagamore Hills community, which makes it a coveted in-town location. The homes feature classic design traits which include oversized porches, impeccable kitchens, and an easy open living floor plan, all designed with today's modern energy efficiencies in mind. The homes at 12 Oaks start at 4,100 to 4,400 total square feet and offer designer finishes throughout, including 10-foot ceilings on the main, which allows tons of natural light to enter the home. Among the spacious floor plans are elegant finishes featuring Kohler's purest plumbing fixtures, Bosch gourmet stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops throughout the home. Each homeowner also has a 2-car garage, a covered front porch, and a spacious rear patio. In addition to the homes themselves, 12 Oaks offers convenient access to nearby freeways such as I-85. It's within walking distance to special places like the Oak Grove Market, Fraser Row Park, Sagamore Hills Elementary, and Arbor Montessori School, as well as the Center for Disease Control and Emory University, and so much more. As you can see, 12 Oaks is quickly coming together, and we're excited about this new development opportunity in the community. Please reach out to us if you have any questions about it or would like to schedule time to come out and take a look at some of our finished product, and also how you may be able to call 12 Oaks your home.